For the Android version, WhatsApp is likely to make some design modifications. The messaging app is experimenting with several design transformations for the Android app in the beta version. Moreover, WhatsApp changes are reflected in the app's chat list. However, according to the grapevines, there will be a small UI change for the messaging platform rather than a major design overhaul for WhatsApp. As per the latest announcement, separator line between chat cell will no longer be visible in WhatsApp updated chat list. So, when beta users start WhatsApp, the first page will be their most recent messages with contacts and groups. It will not have separator lines between contact names. The modification will be available to those with WhatsApp web releases or stable versions from the Google Play Store after being rolled out to beta users. Moreover, Android users will soon be able to use the functionality. New colors and notifications are also included in the WhatsApp beta release 2.21 for Android OS. In dark mode, the notifications will change color from green to blue. Furthermore, these changes are anticipated to surface for users in light mode, but they may not appear for all beta users. However, according to the latest reports, the new color was not correctly appearing in the notifications due to its contrast. So, WhatsApp has now restored the green color for push notifications. Time and again, WhatsApp is rolling out new features and updates to keep its users base intact. Recently, the messaging app has released a voice calling functionality for the JioPhone and other KaiOS based feature phones. Moreover, Voice over Internet Protocol is now available for KaiOS enabled handsets worldwide, allowing feature phone users to make voice calls.